Welcome to my channel ASP Net and SQL Academy. In this video, we will explore different ways to update data in SQL databases. Let us get started. This query updates the salary of the employee with employee ID 2. The results you can see before execution and after execution. This increases the salary of all employees in the IT department by 5,000. Results before execution and after execution as shown. This query updates salaries based on conditions from another table. Using case, we can apply different updates based on salary ranges. Always use select first before running update to verify data being modified. Here, we are setting the salary of all sales department employees to the average salary of the IT department. Subqueries help you pull values dynamically. Data before execution and after execution as shown. This is useful when you want to clean up your data. If the city is null, we replace it with unknown. We are changing the department for multiple employees by specifying their IDs using the in clause. This updates the first two rows in the IT department. Use this cautiously. It updates rows without a clear order unless specified. In MySQL, you can control which row gets updated first using order by and limit. Here, the earliest hired HR employee is updated. This query will update all employees' salaries to 5,000. Always double check for the where clause before running an update. Using transactions, you can test changes and roll back if needed. It is safer, especially in production. This was a complete guide to SQL update. Apply these concepts to your real-world projects and practice regularly. Here is a quick challenge for you. Try solving it and drop your answer in the comments to get featured in the next video. We covered multiple ways to use update efficiently. Try these queries and comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.